stay. No. Is my cat the problem or is it my hands? Oh, fine.
Hey, are you serious? First of all, leave her be if you want a good pic. Try portrait mode. It will make her even more adorable.
Honestly, it's fine. Just decorate the background first. Then use Aspen to make it cooler.
Let me tell you something. I've been using Galaxy all my life. For shooting cats, motion photos are by far the best. They capture and combine multiple features to get a good
It's so cute. But why don't you try some shots from different angles?
What's all this?